Assalamualaikum and hi to all the panelists. Today, I will make a presentation about my final year project 1 with the title Wheel of a Bicycle and Analysis. Before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad bin Mohamad Soufi. I am a student of Mechanical Engineering at UiTM Shah Alam. I'm currently at semester 7. My class is EMD 7M12. My student ID is 2017687226. My supervisor for this final year project is Professor Ahmad Hussain. My first panel is Dr. Anizah Binti Kalam, and my second panel is Dr. Hafiez Bin Mohamad Nor. Firstly, I will introduce about the project summary for my final year project 1 with the title Wheel of a Bicycle and Analysis. The wheel is an important component in determining the quality of a bicycle. It is due to its unique characteristic as a rotational component of a bicycle. However, the stress acting on the wheel are complex and they require more studies in order to increase comfort to the rider and prolong the lifespan of a bicycle. Therefore, this study will conduct stress analysis on the wheel bicycle by using CATIA. Various cross-sections of the rim will be analyzed. Next, I will talk about my research background for this project. First is the invention of bicycle. Bicycle first invention was at 19th century by a German baron named Karl von Drais in 1870. Because of the dynamic mechanism system that bicycle have, engineer and mathematician keep making research on bicycle. Second, popular among society. Nowadays, bicycle become really popular among society due to lots of events such as Ironman Triathlon, which is one series long distance race that involve bicycle organized by World Triathlon Corporation (WTC). However, bicycle need to be in a good quality for the usage of society. The important part is the wheel. And lastly, the best way to analyze each component to get a better performance of bicycle. By the means of this, we are going to analyze wheel of bicycle to make a better customization of component. Next, we move to literature review. The first one is aerodynamic performance. Increase the aerodynamic performance of a racing bicycle is a big problem in engineering studies. 70 to 90% losses drag came from aerodynamic drag. The first one is research using wind tunnel to make comparison between aerodynamic wheel and common wheel. They found out that huge decreasing axial drag force for aerodynamic wheel. Second research is research about differentiate aerodynamic performance of racing bicycle wheel using CFD branch simulation. The last research is about simulation of sprocket wheel aerodynamic in cycling. The next one is stability of bicycle. Stability of bicycle was determined by stability of mass, stiffness parameter, and geometry of a bicycle that had on the frame, fork, and wheel of the bicycle. The first research is about effect of bicycle properties on the stability of bicycle. They found out that position of center mass, front wheel, radial, and trail are factors in determining stability. The next research also carried out to see the effect of tires and rider properties on stability of bicycle. A new approach of finding the stability of a bicycle is found. The third one is wheel of bicycle on road surface. Cycling under various road surface give a lot of data, which is vibrational response to help provide better quality of bicycle component. Research study on different model of wheel on different type of road surface. By using different wheel model, it shows different vibrational response. Next is research about how wide bicycle track can make change to the use of bicycle. They found out speed of cyclists increase as the track of wide increase. The last one is drag side and force analysis. Aerodynamic drag can be experienced by cyclists up to 90%. Research were made in University of Calgary to analyze the side force on bicycle wheel. They found out by lowering the width of tire can get the best performance of the wheel. Next, research on rotation drag front wheel using field test method. They found out different rotational drag for each wheel were different. Next, we move on to the problem statement and objective. For the problem statement, first, most of the bicycle users tend to damage their bicycle and lot of damage has occurred. One of the fatal damage that may occur is deformation on the wheel bicycle during a trip or cycling activities. This will end up the cyclist having problem with carrying the whole bicycle without a chance to fix on the spot. Next is many cyclists did not know the best material for wheel bicycle that can withstand much longer on the road. Having a quality bicycle can help the cyclist save money from bicycle maintenance. The last one is that the temperature of sun may end up damaging the wheel bicycle. It may cause damage to the wheel. Having a suitable material for the wheel when cycling on a sunny day is important. For the objective of the research, the first one is to perform analytical study on the wheel of a bicycle using CATIA. Second is to analyze the deformation shape, critical stress region, maximum stress in the wheel. And the last one is to make comparative strength study on various wheel design. Next, we move on to the scope and limitation. There are lots of factors that can contribute to the studies. However, the scope of this research is limited to a certain aspect. The scope of this research is that it only focuses on the structure of the wheel. The analysis cannot be done at the laboratory due to the pandemic of COVID-19. Thus, we are using CATIA for analyzing the structure for the bicycle wheel. The limitation of this project is that there are limited sources of design of wheel bicycle except research from the internet. Next, it is difficult to design the accurate dimension of the specific wheel bicycle. We move on to the methodology of this final year project. First is problem identification. In this section, we are going to find problems that are related to the project. The problem is identified by studying the characteristics of the wheel bicycle using various resources. In this project, the main problem is related to the structure of the wheel bicycle. Next is product design specification. The parameters and components that are related to the wheel bicycle are measured. All the parts are included in the wheel will be identified to make a precise design for the wheel bicycle. After that is concept generation and concept selection. In this part, we are going to study the wheel bicycle and the type of wheel bicycle that is available. After making the correct selection, we will choose some of the wheel to make a comparison for the best quality of material, product and specification. After that, it is initial design and detailed design. Here, we are going to model our product by using CATIA. Each component in the wheel bicycle will be designed according to the specific dimension. Then, analysis and evaluation. The design will be analyzed by using structure and thermal analysis on the CATIA. This method was done to ensure the best quality of the wheel bicycle. The evaluation will be done to determine the best quality of wheel bicycle. Lastly is the analysis data and report writing. All the data that is specific to the project will be recorded and become a report. Last but not least, the expected result for final year project. The expectation of the report is that the analysis that we conduct will be successful in order to have a quality product of a wheel bicycle. New product will be available in the market that can make a better performance of a bicycle wheel. And the last one is the Katia is expected to analyze all the design that we made. Alright, that's all for my presentation for final year project. You can contact me at my number and my email. Thank you.